Good morning. I am Emeline Seron. My topic is all about stage specific characteristics and development task. For every developmental stage, there is an expected developmental task. What happens when the expected developmental tasks are not required at the corresponding developmental stage? How can you help children achieve this developmental task? John Santrax's research focuses on family, process, and children's socio-emotional development. He conducted the first major research study on comparison of children in mother and father custody families. Prenatal period, 4 weeks embryo, 7 to 8 weeks human embryo. Prenatal period development. There are 3 phases. Germinal stage, first 2 weeks, conception, implantation, formation of placenta. The second one is embryonic stage, 2 weeks to 2 months, formation of vital organs and systems. Fetal stage, 2 months to birth. Bodily growth, continuous movement, capability begins. Brain cells multiply, age of viability. Infancy, birth 2 years old. Extreme dependence on adults, beginning psychological activities like language, symbolic thought, sensory-motor, coordination, and social learning. Language of newborn is the cry. Usually it's every 2 to 3 hours. Uncoordinated movements, toothless, poor vision like focusing range 8 to 12 inches. Usually doubles weight by 9 months. Response to human voice and touch. Infancy, 1 year old. Change from plump baby to leaner, more muscular toddler. Begins to walk and talk. Ability for passive language, better understanding of what's being said. Tentative sense of independence and determined explorer. Infancy, 2 years old. Begins to communicate verbally like name and etc. Can usually speak in 3 to 4 word sentences. Famous for negative behavior like no to everything, temper tantrums. Will play side by side other children but does not actively play with them. Great imitators. Early childhood, 4 years old. Sentences are more complex. Speaks well enough for stranger to understand. Imagination is vivid. Line between what is real and imaginary is often indistinct. Develops fears. Common fears like fear of dark, fear of animals, and fear of death. Early childhood, 3 to 5 years old. Wants to be just like parents. Vocabulary and pronunciation continue to expand. Climb stairs with alternating feet. Can briefly stand on one foot. Early childhood, 5 years old. Can hop on one foot and skip. Can accurately copy figures. May begin to read and socialize with other children their age. Middle and late childhood, 6 to 12 years. Both large and small muscle well developed. Develop complex motor skills, from independent activities to same-sex group activities. Acceptance by peers very important. Parental approval still important. Adolescents 13 to 18 years old. Traumatic life stage for child and parent. Puberty occurs, extremely concerned with appearance, trying to establish self-identity, confrontations with authority. Early adulthood, 19 to 29 years old, physical development complete. Emotional maturation continues to develop. Usually learn to accept responsibility for actions and accept criticism. Usually knows how to profit from errors. Socially progress from age-related peer groups to people with similar interests. Middle adulthood, 30 to 60 years old. Physical changes begin to occur, like hair begins to thin and gray. Wrinkles appear, hearing and vision decrease, muscles lose tone. The main concerns: children, health, job security, aging parents, and fear of aging. Love and acceptance still take a major role. Late adulthood, 61 years and above. Fastest growing age bracket of society. Physical deterioration, brittle bones, poor coordination, some memory problems, coping with retirement and forms of entertainment. Very concerned with health and finances. Significant number become depressed, like suicide rate is high. Developmental task, it means one that arises at a certain period in our life, the successful achievement of which leads to happiness and success with later tasks, while failure leads to unhappiness, social disapproval, and difficulty with later tasks. Infancy and early childhood, 0 to 5, learning to walk, learning to take solid food, learning to talk, learning to control the elimination of body waste, learning sex differences and sexual modesty, acquiring concepts and language to describe social and physical reality, readiness for reading, learning to distinguish right from wrong, and developing conscience. Middle adulthood, learning physical skills necessary for ordinary games, building a wholesome attitude toward oneself, learning to get along with aged, learning an appropriate sex rule, developing fundamental skills in reading, writing, and collaborating, developing concepts necessary for everyday living, developing conscience, morality, and a scale or values, achieving personal independence, and the last one is developing acceptable attitudes toward society. So before I end my report, I just read these quotes. There is in every child at every stage a new miracle of vigorous unfolding by Erik Erikson.